Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Excel sheets to create SharePoint list. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you I have opened a SharePoint site. So if you go to new, you have the option to create a list. Click on it. So you have multiple options: blank list, from Excel, from existing. I go from Excel. So you need to uh, you can upload from the your device, or if you already have it saved, you can go it from there. Okay, so I click on upload, upload from this. So I'm gonna pick it up. So once you have uploaded, this is gonna check for the tables. Okay, so you should have tables created in your Excel file, and you need to select the column types, and then you can click on next and do. So what are the options you have? Like, this is what you have, and if you don't want to import any row, you can select that as well. And how, and the type, it's gonna be title, and this is gonna be single line of text. I click on next. I have got a good name, but I don't want this, so I click on home and I say Excel list, and I click on create. See, the list has been created. So that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching.